I'll be showing you how to get Interlink's card for free in this particular video. And not just that, I'm going to show you why you need to take Interlink extremely serious because of this singular reason. That is for them to have brought out a card. So all you need to do is just open your Interlink's app, then go to your wallet here. If you have not created a wallet, I did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to create your wallet. Go to the comment section, join my Telegram channel, then tap on the pinned post. You're going to see all those videos. Watch the video, use my referral code, and create your wallet, okay? So just come and tap on my wallet. I've already created my wallet, so I'm just going to authenticate on my fingerprint. Then I'll unlock, and my wallet is going to open up. So immediately you come down here, you're going to see this place where they said, get your Visa card. So just come and tap on explore now. So you tap on it. So you actually need to connect your wallet. So just come and tap on connect here. So you tap on it. Then choose your Interlink wallet. So you tap on your Interlink wallet. Just wait, let it connect. So you can see from here that it has connected. So all you need to do is just come and tap on this apply now. Tap on apply now. So you can see that this card is actually 10 USDT. Okay, but you can actually get it for free. So how do you get it for free? Just scroll up, then come and tap on this get free card now. So you tap on it, get free card now. So you need to sign in. So just come and tap on sign in. So put in your email details, okay? I would recommend you use the exact email you used to open your Interlink. So after you log in, it's going to show like this. So you just scroll up, okay? So you just come here and tick this box. Then you put your Interlink ID here, okay? Then you scroll up, you put your Interlink wallet address here, and they're now asking you a question here. Why Interlink should offer you card for free? So you just come and put your answer here. Then you scroll up. Here they want you to support Interlink with a 5-star review and drop your screenshot link. So at this point, let's go back and get all our details. So just come and close here. So I'll close it. So you come back here, tap on it. Then come to this place here. This is actually your username or your ID. gprimwwcoin at 081725. So just memorize this or write it down, okay? Then you go back. Then you come back here. So when you come here, just come and tap on receive here. So you tap on receive. Then come to your search bar here and type ETH. ETH. Then tap on your ETH. You can see the address here. Tap on it. And the address is going to be copied to your clipboard. This is your address, okay? So you come and go back again. You go back. Then you come back here. You just repeat the whole process. You apply now. So you scroll up and tap on get free card now. So you scroll up. So make sure you check this box. Remember, let it be the same email you used to open your Interlink. Then put that your Interlink ID you wrote down, jprimwwcoin at 081725. That's mine. Write your own. Then come down here and paste that wallet address that you copied. That's your Ethereum wallet address, okay? Let me just quickly do that. So it's going to look like this, okay? Then you scroll up. So you just come here and share the reason why they should give you the card for free, okay? So my own reason is very simple. I wrote, because I've been committed to growing Interlink from when you were under 500,000 users till date, and I'm still committed to doing that. You don't need to write exactly the same thing, but just change it or twist it. Just put your natural experience with Interlink, okay? Then for this last one here, so you have to go to Play Store or your Apple Store, leave a review, snap it, then share and publish the image and share the link here. So let me quickly do that. Let's go to Play Store. So this is Interlink. So you just come and tap on this, okay, on Play Store. So you just tap on it. Just come to this place and tap on it and make it 5-star, okay? So I just give them a 5-star review. Then I came and I wrote, Interlink is the best human verification company. Join real users using my code. Then I just come here and post it, okay? So tap on it and you can see it. So just come here and tap on done. So at this point now, I'll just need to screenshot. So I just screenshot the page. It has been screenshotted, right? So I'll minimize and go to that site. They said we should put it on postimage.org and get the link. So I'm just going to come here and tap on choose image. Once you tap on the site, it's going to bring you down here. So you just tap on choose image and choose that particular image, okay? So you tap on your photos and video, then choose that image. You can see that it has showed here. I just come and tap on continue with Google since I don't have an account. So I tapped on continue with Google, choose my email, and brought me down here. So I need to repeat the process again. So just tap here and choose that same picture, okay? Look at what they said, upload completed. So you can actually scroll up and see all the links, okay? So I'm just going to come here and choose the link. You can see it here, link. So I'll tap on it. It has been copied to my clipboard, so I'll minimize and go back to my Interlink. So I'll open, I'll unlock. So this is actually because I wasted time. So I'm just going to repeat all of the processes. Let me just be fast about it, okay? So you just come here, then you paste it. Then you come down to this submit and you just submit it. Just follow the exact steps and you're going to get it right, okay? So you just tap on submit. Make sure they show this Interlink free virtual card waitlist. Your response has been recorded. You can actually edit if you want to. So at this point now, you are qualified to get the free Interlink Visa Card. Now the big question is, why do you even need this? And what's the good news for this? Now let's check this post from Interlinks. So you can see this post here, Interlink's Visa Card is officially live. So Interlink is actually introducing the Visa Card. And they said, unlike most Web3 products that stop at storage or trading, the Interlink Visa Card is built for direct usability. Users can seamlessly convert digital assets such as USDT and ETH into real purchasing power. Crypto is no longer just value on a screen. It becomes a usable payment method in everyday life. What that means is that you can have crypto inside your Interlink app. Then from your Interlink Visa Card, you can be able to pay for things. That's your real life things. If you're in the US, if you're in Africa, if you're in Europe, anywhere you are, as long as you have that card and you have crypto in your Interlink wallet, you can be able to make use of them. This is very, very key. If you're seeing this particular video, make sure you apply for it. I've been seeing it. Interlink is a big, very, very big global project, especially those people staying in the US, those European countries. I will encourage you to apply for this card and continue to use your Interlink ITL's wallet. I believe that's clear enough. So I'm just going to skip some things. I'll point the key things. Now look at this. Look at what they said here. A key advantage lies in its broad integration. I've been telling you, Interlink is a global project. When I read about Interlink, I saw the expansivity of Interlink. And that was why I dwelled so much on Interlinks. I've said it in my group before. One ITLG token is going to reach $8,000 for one. And one ITL token is going to reach $12,000 for one. And I said all of these things because of the utilities. I mean the real life utilities that Interlink is integrating into their tokens. Now look at what they said here. The card can easily be connected to platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Notion, Shopee, Grab, and any system that supports Visa Card. What this means is that I can connect my Interlink Visa Card to my Google Play Store, and I can use it to pay for my blue tick. I can use it to shop things online. I can use it to do anything as long as that service supports Visa Card. And I said this unlocks flexibility spending across nearly all scenarios, from shopping and transportation to digital services. And then I said the Interlink Visa Card is more than just a payment product. It acts as a direct bridge between Web3 financial infrastructure and the real economy, where value can be used, circulated, and integrated into everyday life. Now, this is the part that is getting very, very interesting now. If you scroll up now, look at what they said. This is also the first step towards integrating at Interlink native tokens into real-world payments. Now hear what they said. As the ecosystem evolves, that is, as it's moving, as it's growing, assets like ITL and ITLG are expected to move beyond the network and become part of everyday transactions, completing the loop between on-chain value and real economic activities. So what this means is that they are going to integrate ITLG and ITL, and they can be used as payment methods. If you've been reading Interlinks and you've been following me on all my updates, you discover that in the previous video I did, Interlink said the ITL token is going to be the payment token, that is the institutional payment token. Probably ITLG can be used as gas fees. All of these are a way of integrating the ITLG token and the ITL token into real life adoption, so they begin to solve real life problems. Imagine when ITLG has been listed and ITL has also been listed. So now they are now coins. So you can choose to use ITLG or ITL in the place of ETH or USDT and make your purchases, since it is coming from the wallet. I believe you're understanding what they are actually planning, their futuristic plans. So if you're mining Interlink, take Interlink extremely serious. And this is going to be a global thing. Whether you're an American, you're in Europe, you're in Africa, you're in Asia, Antarctica, wherever continent you are, the card is a universal service. So please take your Interlink mining extremely serious. I'm going to be giving you all the updates about this particular project. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos, okay? So basically that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you or you found any form of value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications, so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join our Telegram channel, link in the comment section, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.